Hey, what's up, car fans? Welcome back to Trendz TV, where we bring you the hottest rides and the coolest breakdowns. Today, we're diving into one of the most reliable, best-selling SUVs on the market, the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V. Now, if you think the CR-V is just your average daily driver, you might want to think again. Honda has taken this iconic SUV and cranked it up a notch for 2026. We're talking refined styling, smart tech, better efficiency, and a few surprises that you probably didn't see coming. So, buckle up pal, let's jump right into it. Exterior now, before we even crack open the door. The new CR-V makes a bold impression. Up front, you'll notice a much more aggressive and confident stance compared to previous generations. Honda's clearly leaning into a more rugged and premium look. The front fascia features a wider, gloss black grille that's flanked by sleek, narrow LED headlights with a new signature daytime running light pattern. The hood's got a subtle power bulge that gives it that muscular edge, and the sculpted front bumper has integrated LED fog lights that flow neatly into aerodynamic air inlets. It's clean, sharp, and gives off serious "I'm not just for soccer practice anymore" energy. Moving along the sides, you'll see that Honda has stretched the CR-V's profile just a bit. It's now slightly longer and rides on a wider track, which not only improves road presence but also benefits interior space. The silhouette is sporty yet refined. Bold character lines run from the front fenders all the way to the taillights, giving it a dynamic look even when standing still. Depending on your trim level, you'll find 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels that fill the wheel arches nicely. The side mirrors are now body-colored with integrated turn signals, and the window trim comes in either chrome or a stealthy black finish, depending on which model you're looking at. And yes, the roof rails are still there, perfect for strapping on some bikes or a cargo box for your weekend getaways. Around back, Honda has kept the vertical taillight design we all recognize, but they've modernized it. The LED taillights now have a wraparound design that flows into the rear quarter panels, adding to the SUV's overall sleekness. The rear hatch has been smoothed out and simplified, with the more cohesive bumper design that integrates hidden exhaust tips and a faux skid plate for that light off-road aesthetic. The CR-V badge is now more prominent, sitting proudly under the new Honda emblem, and there's a subtle roof spoiler that gives it a little sporty flair without going over the top. Interior: let's open the door and step inside, because the 2026 CR-V continues to impress when it comes to the cabin. The interior has seen one of the biggest upgrades in recent memory for Honda. It's clearly inspired by the latest Civic and Accord designs, but with a bit more utility-focused layout. Right off the bat, you'll notice the horizontal mesh grille design stretching across the dashboard that hides the air vents. So super sleek and minimal. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and brushed aluminum trim all combine to give it a premium feel, especially in the higher XL and touring trims. Behind the wheel, you get a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster that's crisp, responsive, and customizable. The steering wheel itself is wrapped in leather with multi-function controls that feel solid and intuitive. To the right, the center infotainment screen comes in either 7 or 9 inches depending on the trim, and finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims also throw in a wireless charging pad and a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system that sounds surprisingly rich for a compact SUV. Honda has also nailed the ergonomics. All the controls are within easy reach, and the climate control knobs are old-school physical dials, which we love. The center console is practical, with a deep storage bin, USB-C ports, and a sliding armrest. As for the seats, they're more comfortable than ever. Honda has reshaped the front seats to reduce fatigue on longer drives, and even the base cloth upholstery feels durable and soft. Move up to the leather-trimmed options, and you're getting heated seats, power adjustability, and lumbar support that rivals some entry-level luxury crossovers. In the rear, passengers are treated to tons of legroom over 41 inches, in fact making it one of the roomiest back seats in the segment. The rear seats also recline, which is perfect for long road trips. There's dual-zone climate control and charging ports back there too, so your passengers won't be left out when it comes to comfort and convenience. Cargo space. Yeah, Honda's got that figured out too. With the rear seats up, you've got about 39 cubic feet of space. Fold them down, and you're looking at over 76 cubic feet, with a low-load floor and wide opening for easy access. Performance. Let's talk about what's under the hood, because Honda's offering two main powertrains for the 2026 CR-V. First up, the base models get a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers 190 horsepower and 179 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired to a CVT that's been tweaked for better responsiveness and reduced noise. It's not going to win drag races, but it's more than capable for daily driving, merging onto the freeway, and cruising with confidence. And yes, you can get it in front-wheel drive or with Honda's real-time all-wheel drive system. Then there's the hybrid setup, which you'll find in the sport and touring trims. This pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors for a combined output of 204 horsepower and a noticeable bump in torque. It feels punchier around town and is smoother during acceleration thanks to the eCVT system. Plus, the hybrid CR versus are more efficient, with EPA ratings coming in around 43 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway, which is super impressive for a vehicle of this size. Ride quality is another area where Honda has really dialed things in. The suspension setup absorbs bumps and potholes with ease, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Steering is precise, and the CR-V handles corners with surprising grace for a compact SUV. It's not sporty per se, but it feels planted and confident, which is exactly what most buyers are looking for. The hybrid models get a slightly more refined feel thanks to the electric boost, and regenerative braking helps improve efficiency without feeling jerky. Safety is a major selling point for the CR-V, and the 2026 model comes loaded with the latest version of Honda Sensing. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, road departure mitigation, traffic jam assist, and traffic sign recognition. New for this year is a driver attention monitor and an upgraded blind spot system with cross-traffic alert that has better detection in tight spaces. You also get a 360-degree camera on higher trims, which makes parking and navigating narrow streets much easier. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Honda CR-V keeps things competitive. The base LX trim starts around $30,500, while the X and Sport trims climb into the mid-$33,000 to $35,000 range. If you want all the bells and whistles, the touring hybrid tops out at around $40,000. Considering everything you get: spaciousness, tech, safety, fuel economy, and resale value, that's still a solid deal in today's market. Honda's also offering flexible lease and financing options to keep it accessible for a wide range of buyers. At the end of the day, the 2026 Honda CR-V might not be the flashiest SUV out there, but it continues to dominate for a reason. It's dependable, refined, practical, and now more stylish and high-tech than ever before. Whether you're a family looking for a daily hauler, a commuter chasing fuel economy, or someone who just wants a no-nonsense SUV that won't let you down, the new CR-V delivers in almost every area. It's proof that Honda knows exactly what its customers want and keeps getting better at giving it to them. So, what do you think of the new CR-V? Would you go for the turbo or the hybrid? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from Trendz TV. We've got more reviews, comparisons, and behind-the-wheel action coming your way real soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay fast, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.